And this is where we work. I mean, because I have only 10 minutes, so I'll move on fast. This is where this CIT is. We work here. This is from 1961, NCERT is working since 1961, and CIT born when other department called DTA merged into CET, Central Education for Technology, then CIT born. And this is we okay. Central Institute, the main work of a Central Institute of Educational Technology is to provide support material and support material for children to enrich their curriculum and to enhance the quality of the school curriculum. And in CIT, to produce programs, we have 2 audio studios and 2 video studios, and we also do satellite. We have satellite networking, and we interact. We telecast daily network conferencing and interactive programs. And we also broadcast programs from Gyanvani and Gyan Darshan, and it is a daily basis. And we regarding audio, we have 12 stations, audio station in Indore, Allahabad, Kanpur, and all. So we broadcast programs from there, and we have a very huge archival material we have, and programs, thousands of programs we have. We have audio clips for with historical importance. So we thought about, and Dr. Kamath and Sitaji, they thought about going to go globally. So for the thought of launching an iRadio came into mind, and on 4th of June, iRadio launched from CIT.
What is iRadio?
And iRadio is, we call it webcasting. The way we broadcast from the tower, we need a tower, and we broadcast from there. From internet radio, we don't need a tower and all. We need a small setup. From there, we send out the signals for radio. This is it's nothing different as far as the broadcasting concerned, but the difference, the very huge difference is that it reaches the world. It is not short wave or medium wave, it's worldwide. So to reach the far off students and people and the persons who are not who cannot receive the short wave and medium wave, so this iRadio is for to reach there. And in rural areas in India, where short wave signals are very poor, so they are set up. They have digital antenna, and they can receive Gyanvani from them there, and they have this thing networking system, broadband, and they can listen to our programs from there only. And for iRadio, what we need a software with small setup, in which software is there, which is very user friendly, and anyone can handle it to broadcast to relay the signals. So for that, we have programs in wave format. We convert it into MP3, and we load into that software, and that's how the thing goes. This is the software we use. This is SAM Broadcaster, and this software has 2 decks, which from there we can play back our program, which are already converted into MP3, and we can put our programs in archive in this thing. This is playlist in which we keep our programs converted into MP3, and this is the area. This is the area in which we can keep our folders for small this is jingles and ad and public announcement. This is the playlist where the things which are going time wise, half an hour program schedule, and what is the schedule for 24 hours, we keep it here. And from there, if you on the auto DJ, automatically one by one with these two decks, the programs played back, and that's how we do. This is the first one. This is SAM broadcaster, which what we store in this, converted into MP3. It streams out it in this. This is the server. We use iCast servers. There are many servers for streaming, shortcast, iCast, promo, but this is we are using iCast server. The work is same, and this server send a thing in to the broadband. This thing, and every listener anywhere in the world receives from there. So we put everything here. It streams these program signals here, and from this streamer sends all the program from broadband. We use MTNL broadband, and from there listeners listens. And this is the work what I explained, audio encoder. The SAM broadcaster does the thing what I already told you. This is okay, this is I already done. Okay, and on 4th of June when we inaugurate our this iRadio, this is called Umang WWW. Mr. Mezlan and Mr. Qasim, they came from Malaysia, and they trained us. This is Mr. Mezlan who trained us in the web broadcast, as how web broadcaster should broadcast the thing, how to use SAM broadcaster. He trained us for this, and he is the person who configured the setup. And what we do as broadcaster, we first of all we convert all our programs which are in web. It happens only in web. Whatever we record in web. So for streaming it out, we have to convert into MP3 because only web can also be downloaded or uploaded, but it takes too much of time, and it is very heavy files. So we convert into MP3. Then we make a folder, preferably we can keep it anywhere, but because we need to do it faster, so we keep it on desktop so that it is easily accessible from the desktop. And then we open the SAM broadcaster and we put all the files what we need, and we can make folders according to our requirements, for series wise or age group wise or subject wise. That is our choice or our need. So that's how we make folders, and according to our schedule, we download this thing, every folder here. Okay, this is playlist. We keep our programs here, and for live, the main iRadio's main use of it is that it is live for wide audience, for globally. We can reach to everyone. So child can ask the questions and we can answer. So for that we do live programs. So for that we need two microphones at least. One for the RJ who is holding the who is asking the questions and who is using the software, and also who is interacting with the child. So and other microphones needed for the guest. And if there is panel discussion, we need some more microphones.